Hey y'all, it's your girl Chi-Town. Today we're visiting Hairfield with an installation video from Long Kai Hair. So right now I'm just unboxing everything. It came with a headband, a wig grip band, and a wig cap. Here's the listing on Amazon, and I'll provide the link in the description below. This wig does not have any lace on the front, so it didn't require any preparation to put it on, but I'm going to show you guys how I wear it with the wig grip band. I do want to mention that with the wig grip bands, you want to have the clear area where the part is located for the lace on the wig. However, this wig doesn't have it, so I just kind of put it where the part would be. Because this unit is synthetic, the curls will basically just stay in place. The unit did come layered, so these curls are exactly how they were when I took them out of the package. Now I'm going to show you a few ways that I would wear the headband. I want to stress that this unit is synthetic, so I did experience shedding, but it wasn't a bother to me. You may have noticed that the hair is very long, and I forgot to mention that this wig is 26 inches. I love how versatile the wig is. It gives you so many styling options even though it's synthetic and it doesn't have lace. And that's pretty much it for this video. I was able to put this wig on and style it in less than 10 minutes. Thanks so much for watching my installation video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you next time.